guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to do just like a very glowy, bronzy, I don't even know what I'm calling this video yet, but I just wanted to do a cool, almost like a summer look. I just wanted to play with some gold, some glitter, and I also wanted to do my hair with you guys. I have the weirdest, coolest curling iron in here that I'm going to show you guys how to use, and I'm also obviously going to show you guys how to get this look. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Today's post notification shout out goes to Jasmine Quinn. Thanks, girl, for having your post notifications on. You're such a good subscriber. You're always on all my social medias and always talking to me. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you and I love you so, so much. If you want to get the next shout out, all you have to do is turn on those post notifications and comment when you are done. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so let's just get started. By the way, I'm not naked. I'm wearing clothes. And yeah, I already primed my eyes with some concealer and I set it with powder, so we're just gonna jump right into the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, but I really just wanna do like a very bronzy look, so that's just what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm first gonna take a mixture of Pukey and also Silk Cream, and I'm just gonna put that as my transition shade. I'm gonna do it from inner corner to outer corner. I'm gonna do a half cut crease with a little bit of glitter, so we're gonna go all out. I just want to make this fun, like a fun bronzy look. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shade that's called Mocha, and I'm just gonna start deepening up under the crease. And I'm also gonna focus it on the outer corner. I'm flicking it out just a little bit, just so it forms kind of like a cat eye, and I am going a little heavy with it, so I'm gonna go back to Pukey and Silk Cream, and I'm gonna blend that out. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of Creamsicle just to kind of start warming up the crease just a little bit. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna quickly do the other eye. Okay, now that we have kind of like an outline, what I'm gonna do is take this Catrice concealer and I'm just gonna do a half cut crease. And I'm gonna go straight in with the shade Queen on top of that. Now I'm gonna go back to that Mocha shade and just blend these two edges together. Okay, now for the fun part, I'm gonna add some glitter. I recently got sent like a lot of glitter liners. They look like this, and I have been loving them. They're from the Instagram called Value Makers Cosmetics, but this brand of the actual liner is Nice Face. These are really affordable and they're pretty good, so I'll link them down below. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade 03. Do I want to do that? Yeah, I'm gonna use the shade 03 and I'm gonna put some glitter on my eyes. I think what I want to do is like do a line of glitter on the cut crease. I really hope I don't mess this look up. These are actually really easy to work with. I've never actually done this to my crease before and it's not that hard. Okay, so I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean off all the fallout. And then I'm also gonna sharpen out my eyeshadow because we are gonna wing it out today. Even though it's so hard to do wing liner with these eyelash extensions, I really, really wanna do it. So let's just do it. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, turn out too bad. No way can I do this on the camera because like I said, it's really hard. So really quickly, I'm just gonna tell you guys, I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm gonna do the wings and I'll be right back and then we can start doing the face. Okay, so these wings are absolutely not even, but we're just gonna act like they are. I literally, to do my wings, I had to like put my eyelashes down and then do it because like there's no way that I can see like what is going on. I'm just gonna moisturize with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting, I'm just gonna moisturize with my Clinique Dramatically Different lotion real quick because I forgot to put on face lotion. And for primer, it wouldn't be a luminous, dewy look if we didn't use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is just awesome. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's just a really nice, very, very luminous primer. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere. I haven't used this in so long. I don't know why. I mean, I've just been trying out so many different primers. Like, I actually have so many primers that I love now that you guys will be able to see in my April favorites, because there's just a lot of really good primers out there now, and a lot of them are really affordable. For foundation, I wanted to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage just because it's super luminous. And like you guys know, I'm just gonna put a little bit of my white foundation just to even out the color a little bit. And I'm gonna be putting it on with my EcoTools sponge. This foundation is awesome, it's affordable, and it's very, very luminous. Definitely don't recommend it if you're super oily, because this is like really like a wet formula. Matched pretty well, I have to say. Come on, trash truck, come through. Why is it that every time I film, the trash truck is here? It's because today's Wednesday. Why do I always film on Wednesdays? So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium, but it is a little bit not light enough for me, so I'm gonna go in with Catrice Camouflage Concealer on top just to highlight. I have been loving this sponge, mainly for under the eyes. Like, I like it fine for foundation, but for concealer, the shape of it is just like great. And also for baking. Ooh, it's a really good combo. I do like the Catrice concealer. It's just, it's a little bit light for me. And I do want some full coverage. The Catrice one is more like medium coverage, so I do like mixing it. And to set that, I decided to go back to my OG Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm also gonna go ahead and set my smile lines, just because I don't want to set all of my foundation, but I definitely want to set my smile lines because, like I said, this is like a very dewy foundation and you will crease like a mofo. So for contour, I'm gonna be using the NYX contour kit. Thank you to my subscribers who recommended me this kit because I do really like it. And I'm just gonna go into the shade Sculpt, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna quickly sculpt my cheekbones. I definitely wanna do more bronzing than contour, but I just wanna give my cheekbones a little chiseled look. So since this is such a bronze look, I am using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium Deep 03. The cool thing about this bronzer is that there's almost no kickback, and it's very forgiving. And just when you thought we were done bronzing, I'm gonna take this Lottie London Shimmer Squad, and what I'm gonna do is take this shade right here, which is called Flirt, and it's like a very, very dark bronzy shade. So what I'm gonna do is take like a very fluffy brush, kind of like this. This is from Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna use that bronzy highlighter and put it on top of my bronzer to start the glow. I love doing this with dark highlighters. If you have a lot of texture, I probably don't recommend this, but if you don't, then go ahead and drown yourself with some bronze highlighter. For blush, I'm gonna be using Becca Snapdragon. You guys see me use this all the time. I love it. It looks kind of crazy, but it's just like a really warm blush, and I love it, especially when you're tan. It is really pigmented though, so you have to go really light-handed. Alrighty, and for actual highlight, I'm gonna go in with the one and only Anastasia Beverly Hills Reezy highlighter, the most beautiful highlighter in the entire world, and I'm just gonna pretty much drown myself in it. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna keep it pretty simple since we have so much going on upstairs, and I'm just gonna take a Pukey and Creamsicle, and I'm just gonna mix them and just blow it out on the lower lash line. I think Pukey and Creamsicle are like my two favorite shades in this whole palette. I just love them. They're so nice and warm, and they really can transform any look. Okay, so I popped in some bottom lash mascara, and now I'm gonna go in with the shade Beam and Enlight, and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner. So for lips, I wanted to do something really warm because I wanted to stay in like the super warm category. And you guys probably already know it's Ofra in the shade Americano. Okay, and to set my face, I'm gonna be using the Essence Keep It Perfect makeup setting spray. Okay, so for the hair, I'm gonna curl it, but I wanted to make this super interesting, and I have like the craziest curling iron. It's the Chi Air Spin and Curl. This is the box, and just wait. Like, what? This was sent to me. No, it's not sponsored, but I wanted to try it. Apparently, all you have to do is like put your hair in here, and then it like grabs it and curls it for you, and then you just let go. So I don't know. It seems a little gimmicky, but this was like, I mean, this is like a nice tool. It feels nice and heavy. So I'm gonna use it. It's supposed to go up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I guess, oh, and it's also 1-inch ceramic barrel. If you guys don't know, I do have naturally curly hair. So it is straightened, but I always curl my hair when it's straightened. I just sprayed like some water on it so maybe it would hold more. But I have a feeling that if it does curl my hair nicely, it can probably do like a tighter curl on like natural hair. But since my hair is straightened, I don't think it's gonna do that much of a curl, which is what I like. I like to do more of like a wave. Okay, now I look crazy. They did send me some heat protectant spray, so thank you, Chi. So let me just spray that all through the hair. Not gonna lie, I'm really scared that my hair is gonna like get caught in there and never come out. So I have it on, it's at 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm scared. Oh. So, oh, okay, so there's buttons right here. So there's an arrow that goes this way and an arrow that goes that way. So I guess you get to choose which way to do it. Do I keep doing this? No, what? Oh my god. Now what? Oh my god. What are the instructions? Oh my god, that really scared me, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, okay. Based on your setting, you will hear 4 beeps once the curl is set. Okay, let's try this again. Well, what is my setting? My setting is 15 seconds. I feel like that's a lot. Actually, that's the least amount, so you can do 15 seconds, 17, or 19. Alright, so I'm just gonna give it a go. I'm gonna do it to a lot of my hair and see how it goes. But so far, this curl was actually really nice. Since I have longer hair, I wish the curl was bigger, but it is just a 1-inch barrel. So, how you doing? Having a good day so far? Ooh, it's looking really nice though. I wonder if you can take it out before it beeps, because that's kind of what I want to do. I wonder if it holds your hair, or, let's see, let's give it like 5 seconds. Then I'm gonna take it out. Oh, okay, cool. So you can take it out whenever you want. The whole beeping thing is just to like tell you when it's ready, but you can take it out whenever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do this to my whole hair. Okay, so it looks a little crazy right now, but this is what the curls look like. I'm quickly just gonna like tease it a little bit, kind of separate all these curls, but guys, oh my god. I mean, as you guys saw, I took out the, the curler a lot quicker than 15 seconds. I only waited for like 5 seconds because I don't like my curls to be that curly. I like more of a wavy look, but I just did my whole hair in like 10 minutes. It usually takes me like a good 25 or 30. Like, what? I'm really impressed. Like, you guys saw, the proof is in the pudding. Like I said, it's not sponsored or anything like that. I'm like really impressed at how easy it was, because I don't curl my hair that often just because it takes me longer because I have such curly hair. But look, like literally, by the way, it's easier if you hold it down here and while it goes, let it go up. Like, don't let it go. Like, if you hold it down here, then it'll curl like really easily and like a lot cleaner. See, look at that. Ooh. But look, I'm gonna do it how they want us to do it, and I'll leave it for the 15 seconds to show you guys the curl that they want us to have. I love how I say they, but you can leave it on a lot longer and you'll see that the curl is going to be a little bit tighter. I just feel like waiting till it beeps is like way too long. I don't know, is that just me? Like, I feel like my hair is burning in there. Okay, so see, this is like the kind of curl you get if you wait. So, I don't know, I like them both. I think both ways is really nice. They sent me some hairspray, so I'm obsessed. Like, do you guys see these curls? I'm really happy with this whole video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm like, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed. But for real, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of wanted to do something more summery and glowy and kind of just like, I don't know, I just, you know, I'm just getting ready for the summer. I know it's still spring, but it's finally getting warm out there and it's getting me really excited. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this. Have you ever tried this? Have you ever seen anything like this? I don't know if it's new or not, but let me know. And like always, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day or night wherever you are, and I really hope to catch you guys in my next video. And I love you. Mwah.